Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, and welcome back to Access Arabic. Today we continue our series through which we are learning to read the glorious Quran. We are still dealing with the rules of Mim Sukun. In the previous video, we covered that whenever we come across a Mim Sukun, we must look at the next letter. If the next letter is a Ba, then we must do Ikhfa Shafawi. We must read it with Ghunna for 2 harakat, such as ترميهم بحجارة من سجيل. In today's video, we will learn another very simple rule of Mim Sukun. So without further ado, let's jump straight into it. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen wa salatu wa salam ala Rasulillah. Today we are focusing on these examples here. Okay, so let's begin to read. Lahum, lahum, lahum. We have a Mim Sukun here. So that means we must look at the next letter. The next letter is not a Ba, so we know we don't do Ikhfa Shafawi. So the rule that we're focusing on today is whenever a Mim Sukun is followed by another Mim, then we merge Mim to Mim and we do Ghunna for 2 harakat. Remember merging? We learned the Arabic term for merge. This is Idgham. So we do Idgham with Ghunna for 2 harakat. You will know this automatically whenever you come across it anyway, because as you can see here on the Mim there is a Shadda. So it is not lahum ma, it is lahum ma, lahum ma. Ghunna for 2 harakat. We merge the Mim into the Mim and we read with Ghunna for 2 harakat. Lahum ma yasha'una. Now we move on to the next example. Okay, already by looking at it we can see Mimma, there's a Mim with a Shadda on it, and we already know that whenever a Noon or a Mim has a Shadda on it we do Ghunna for 2 harakat. So it will be read as Mimma, Mimma, Mimma. And now we look at the next example. Allahumma. Here we once again have a Mim with a Shadda on it, so we know that we will read it with Ghunna for 2 harakat. Allahumma, Allahumma. So just to recap, in this lesson we've learned that whenever a Mim has a Sukun on it, we must look at the next letter. If that next letter is another Mim, then we will read it with Ghunna for 2 harakat, as in the example Lahum ma yasha'una, Lahum ma, Lahum ma, Lahum ma, Lahum ma yasha'una. And we know that whenever a Mim has a Shadda on it, it is read with Ghunna for 2 harakat. And with that we'll end this lesson inshallah. I hope you've taken benefit from it. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and to share this with your friends and family. Share the gift of learning to read the Quran with them. Inshallah, you will get reward, I will get reward, and they will get reward. Let's all share the rewards together. But with that, take care, and I'll see you on the other side inshallah. Ma'as salama. Take care.